Hello friends, welcome back to Xtrade Space Video Library, and today we are going to discuss Bajaj Finance chart. So firstly I'll tell you that the futures of Bajaj Finance has a quantity of 250 in one lot. So we'll be setting a target of 20 points only. That will give us 5,000 rupees profit and a stop loss of 30 points. So we'll start it from today on August 10. As you can see over here, the signal came and the trade was done at 3435. As you can see it over here, open point was 3435.55. Okay, and you can see that high was 3454, so only 20 points high. So stop loss has not touched yet, and you can see that the low point has gone up to 3401.2 in next 1 to 2 hours. So we have easily achieved our target of 20 points. That means of 5,000 rupees. Now there was a signal on August 6. Okay, so we'll move back to that signal, and you can see that open point is 3319.95, and the high in that signal is 3352. So in the same candle, you can see that we achieved the target of 20 points. Again, now we'll move back to August 5. There was a sell signal on August 5, but the signal came around 3:14 p.m. So as per the rule that we have made for you, we will not do this signal. we'll not do the trade in this signal, and we will wait for the next day, and we will continue the trading in the next day. So we'll do the trading in this point. At this point, the open point was 3291.1. As you can see in this box, open point is 3291.1. So we must have sold it over here, and the low was 3251, same candlestick. So we can see that we have easily achieved our target of 20 points over here, and the stop loss has not touched yet. Okay. So now we'll again move to August 4. Okay. So as you can see, the open point is 3229 and the low is 3218. So we have not touched our stop loss here. So if we have bought over 3229.9 and it has gone high of 3262, so here also we have achieved our target of 20 points without touching the stop loss. Now the signal came on August 1. So as per our rules, we will not be performing this signal, the trade on the signal, but for calculation I will show you the marks. Open is 3191.45 and high it has gone to 3186. So you can see that we had already got a wrong signal, but this signal was not to be done. So we'll move directly to July 24, because that is the only point, that is the only date till when we can do our trading, and after that up to 3rd of the new month we will not be doing any trading as per the rules that we have made for you. Now we are moving directly to July 24. Okay, so on July 24 there was a signal on at around 10:29. Okay, so there was sell signal, so we'll be performing at this point. The open point was 3243 and the high was 3262. So there was 20 point high over here, so it would not have touched our stop loss line and of 30 points. And now you can see the low has gone up to 3212, so we have achieved our target of 20 points. Again we'll be moving to July 23. On July 23 there was a buy signal. uh, Open point was 3308, and you can see the low point in this bar, in this candle, is 3275. From 3308 to 3275. So we had considered a loss because it has touched our stop loss line, so we'll count this as a loss. Now I'll move back again. There was signal on July 21st, and you must have bought over here. I mean, we must have sold over here at 3333.45, and in the very next candlestick, in next 15 minutes, the low has gone to 3207. So it has gone past 20 points. So we must have got our target. Now we'll move into July 17. There's a signal on July 16, and in morning we must have bought it over here because the stop loss line crossed over here. So we must have bought over here at the high point was 3236.75, and I mean the open point was 3236.75 and high is 3264. So as you can see, we have achieved our target of 20 points without touching the stop loss. And again, there was a signal on July 15. So as you can see, mm, the I mean the signal came at around 3 p.m. So we must not have done it over here. If we would have done it, then also we would have achieved our target. But as per the rule set, we'll be doing in we must have done it in next morning. So this was the candlestick where we would have done. Now you can see that the open point is 3139 and low is 3102 at around, I mean the 40 point. I can show it from here. See, 3139 and low is 3102. So we have achieved it in this candlestick only, our 20 points. So we are moving now on July 14. Okay, so again the signal came at around 259, but the stop loss line crossed the next day. So we'll be doing our trade over here at this candlestick. So open point is 3231.71, 3277 is high point. You can see it in the box. Open 3231 and high is 3277. So we have achieved our target here also. So we'll be moving now on July 13. There was signal on July 10 at around 229, but it has not crossed the stop loss line, so we'll be waiting the stop loss line to cross it, and so we must be doing it over here. We must have traded over here. uh, so the point open point was 3280 and it has gone to 3258, means 22 points. So we have achieved our target in this candlestick only, but it has gone to 3220 also, and later the next day it has gone to 3151. So since we are doing all the intraday in Bajaj Finance 15 minutes chart, so we don't need to look up at the next day. We have started on July 13, and we must have to end it over here only in on this day only. So we have achieved our target here of 20 points. Now we'll be moving to July 9. There was signal on July 9, but as you can see, we have considered a loss over here. We don't need to calculate it. This was the second loss that we have considered. Again, now on July 8, there was signal at around 244. So we must not have done this at this time, and we would waited for the next day. So as you can see, we must have sold it over here. 3242 was the open point. Look at the open point 3242 and low is 3184. So we have achieved our target of 20 points without touching the stop loss line. And again, you can see it over here. There was a last signal on July 6. So we must have bought it over here at 3007, and as you can see the low point, it has not gone to 2996 only. So it has not touched our stop loss line, and it has gone a high of 3076. So we have achieved our target of 20 points. Now on July 3rd there was signal, but as per the rule we have made, we must be doing we have to do our trading after 3rd of July because of the expiry date effect. Okay, so this is all, my friends. We have considered two losses and several several good trade. So you can calculate it by yourself only that how much accuracy is there. Thank you, my friend, and wait for my new videos. Thank you.